Hello everyone, today I want to talk about my functional area, career services in higher education. Vocational guidance was created by Frank Parson, in which they would help the immigrants transition to America for them to have a better life. Teachers guidance resulted from the baby boomers and industrialization, in which increased the need for educational and vocational guidance. This allowed the faculty to do other duties, and the career guidance would fall on the teachers. Job placement was to help war veterans to be placed in a job when they returned from combat with the help of the GI Bill. Career counseling started the responsibility for students to find jobs, and counselors were there to help if they needed assistance. Personal networking created the start of where career services faculty connected students with potential employees. Connected communities have and will become an element of the student's experience rather than a resource. This allows a student to connect with career services as they approach graduation. Career services is the functional area of student affairs that provides students with the knowledge and tools when navigating possible career choices. Their mission is to help students find the right career for them and connect them with local employers, as well as prepare them for the job market after graduation. Kennesaw State's Career Services mission states that they educate and facilitate the career development of students and alumni in preparation for the ever-changing work environment. Through strategic engagement with internal and external partners, they provide access to services, programs, and experiences that develop competent and competitive professionals who will contribute to local and global communities. I had the chance to interview Michael Dutcher, the Assistant Director of Campus Engagement for Career Services. He has worked at this position for 6 years. Some of Michael's duties include advising and participating in career fairs to promote the Career Services Department. As far as the CAS standards, equity and access is to ensure that every student is offered the same resources across the board. Academic and student support, Career Services make sure that they support the student in a way that their academics can properly align with the job they're being placed in. Advising is where Career Services fall, in which they have to share with students everything there is to know, from finding the right degree to the connection with potential employers. Career Services at Kennesaw State offer several helpful resources to help students prepare for the work life after graduation. Career readiness is where students can take assessments in determining if they are ready for their chosen career. Mock interviews allow for the students to have a one-on-one session with one of the Career Services members to help them prepare for their interviews. Resume reviews allows for the department to teach students what and what not to include in their resumes. Workshops allow for the students to gain knowledge in areas that can help in their workplace. Internship job fairs are available where students can have the potential to earn an internship while in school with an employer of their choice. As far as changes go at Kennesaw State in Career Services, besides the name change, the office structure has changed significantly. They can connect with students online, in person, and more. It also allows the department to be embedded with their academic departments while having the expertise in marketing and employer relations to support our advisors in providing our students and alumni with relevant services. Kennesaw State has entry-level positions that are fantastic opportunities for new professionals to gain relevant experience while pursuing their degree. But they also tend to leave and move into their next career once they complete their degree. While the consolidation, they must establish a new culture that maintains the successes from both campuses while keeping the office relevantly moving forward between the two campus structures. The director makes around $90,000, while the office manager makes between $30,000 and $40,000. The student assistant makes around $8 an hour, and a grad assistant makes about $730 monthly. Michael stated that his salary is just over $48,000 a year working in career services as an assistant director. Interview Stream is a service in which students may use to practice for future interviews in the comfort of their own home. Handshake is an all-in-one career management system that connects students with potential employees. As far as events go at Kennesaw State, Career Services holds different events on campus that allow students to explore careers, such as industry exploration nights, where professionals come to campus to speak with the students. Here is just some of the resources that I used in preparation for this presentation. Any questions? Thank you and have a great day.